Well, welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors here. Chris bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California, where it is bright and sunny. It's over 90 degrees today. It's been an amazing day, and Bitcoin holding on to its life here at the bottom side of the range, holding here at 30,900. We did close a daily today just above the top side or the bottom side Trilinger band. And as I have been saying, Bitcoin has been ranging over the last 2 months between 30,000 to the downside, 40,000 to the upside. Now, what I am looking for is a break of the range with open interest shooting up above, I'd say 5 or 5.5 billion. Currently, we're at about 4.4 billion in open interest. So do I think we have enough to break the range today? No, maybe later this week. But I am expecting a momentous move coming in here very soon. Since we have had such low volatility, and that's what the BBWP is, this is a measure of volatility. And what we're going to see, we want to see is us to come from zero volatility and start to expand. Now, this indicator is direction neutral. So it's going to expand in the direction of the trend. So if volatility is expanding as the price is going down, well, then we're likely to get a downside move. If volatility is expanding as the price is going up, very likely to get an upside move. Now, I am expecting a 30 to 50% move from here in either direction. So what would that look like? Let's take our ruler out. 30% to the upside would bring us right to the top side of the range here at, call it 40,000. 30% to the downside would bring us right to 21,400. So big move incoming either direction. Another kind of slightly bearish thing is what we have here. We have on a weekly time frame, we just closed our first lower low below 32,000 here, closed last night. And historically, when Bitcoin enters a downtrend on a weekly time frame, the average correction is between 60 and 80%. So what would that look like? This isn't pretty. So 60% to the downside means the move's almost over. 60% would put Bitcoin at about 24,000. That would fill the gap on the CME market, by the way. 80% would put us down here, right in line with that white 200 simple moving average. And that would put us here at about $13,000 Bitcoin. That's a long ways down. But good thing we have indicators to let us know when a macro bottom is being put in and when a macro top is being put in. Again, this isn't financial advice, but we want to look at all the underlying market dynamics to make a conclusive decision in our trading. And another thing to note, Bitcoin dominance is popping back up here to 46%. We did say that we believe Bitcoin dominance is going to shoot up into the 55% region. We are making higher lows and higher highs here on a daily. So I think we should, next target's probably about 52%. That means altcoins will be getting crushed against their Bitcoin pairing. Doesn't necessarily mean their dollar pairing, but as Bitcoin dominance goes up, the Satoshi value of altcoins goes down. But let's jump back onto our indicator here. And let's just take a look at some levels. So what I am looking for is to coincide with the next downside move. If we can get a daily closure below 30,000, I'd say is that's give us enough for at least a move down to 27,000. And what I'll pull up here is the 3-day. So if we can close a 3-day or even a 2-day, I like the 3-day better, but I think this is a bouncy region somewhere right here around 27,000, but probably continuation down to the bottom somewhere around here in the low 20,000s if we start breaking down. I do believe we get a small bounce at 27,000 and then probably continuation Again, that is if we get a daily closure below 30,000. Now, to the upside, what I am looking for to kind of denote some continuation, first thing would be a daily closure above yesterday or just a tick above yesterday's high at 32,663. That'll give us continuation to about 34.5. If we can break back above 34.5, I'm looking for the next stop at 36.5 and then to the top side of the range. Now, if we can break the top side of the range with open interest shooting up, I'm going to look for that move in the deeper 40,000s. Do I think right now that we're full-on breakdown full-on breakdown time for Bitcoin? I don't think we're quite there yet, as there is not enough open interest. Last thing I did want to go over is the 3 things that I will be using to identify a macro low is being put in. So the first thing we need to see is higher lows on the daily. Do we have higher lows on the daily? No. In fact, we've got lower highs and lower lows coming all the way down here. Second thing I'm going to be looking for is BBBWP to be coming from a zero read and expanding, which we do have that. And lastly would be our hash ribbons indicator, which is right here. And what are we looking for in the hash ribbons indicator? We want a blue buy signal on the daily. And just note, I mean, typically the blue buy signal happens and then we get about 2 weeks of price action and then a big move up. Blue buy signal, 2 weeks of price action, big move up. I mean, the last blue buy signal we got was right here, and Bitcoin went straight to the moon, up to 60,000 from about 20,000. So almost a 200% increase. Go back to this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this last blue buy signal right here, this gave us a move from 9,000. It doesn't seem like a big move, but 9,000 to 11,000 or 12,000, that was a 30% up. Another one right here. We got a move from 7,000 up to, about 9,300. That was a 25% move. Another blue buy signal right here. And we get a move from, well, let's see where, blue buy signals right here. And we get a move up to about 12,000. So that was about 17% there. And this was another big move here. Blue buy signal here at 3,500 marches it all the way up to about 12,000. So those are the 3 indicators I'll be looking for to declare a macro bottom has been put in. None of these indicators have gone off at the moment. So let's keep a close eye on this, guys. I'll be heading back with some more market analysis over the next couple of days. Stay tuned, have fun, have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.